Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As you know, summer is here, so I will be sharing some summer beauty and hair care tips which are very easy to make and also very effective. So yeah, let's get into it. First important tip is to hydrate your body. Summer may dehydrate our body, so make sure to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every single day. You can also add watermelon, strawberry, lime or herbs to your water and make them more tastier. This will make you refreshing and spa-like beverage. Next tip is to protect your skin from sunscreen. Sun rays are causes of many skin issues. It will make your skin dull, dry, also causes fine lines and blemishes. So choose a sunscreen with SPF 30 at least and apply it generously on your skin before 20 minutes of sun exposure and also reapply it every 2 hours. Don't neglect your lips. Make sure to apply lip balm with SPF because our lips are very delicate, so make sure to protect them. During summer, make sure to drink water from the mud cask or clay pot rather than the fridge. Water stored in the mud cask is very gentle on the throat and does not make you sick, and also it's very good for acidity and metabolism. So from now on, always drink water from the mud cask. Always carry a rose water or a face mist in your purse. When you feel sweaty or tired, then just spray it onto your face. It instantly soothes, cools and refreshes your skin and also restores the moisture. Keep aloe vera gel in the refrigerator and allow it to cool down. Once you came back home after a long tiring day, just apply a little bit of aloe vera gel onto your face. Aloe vera gel has anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties in it, which will soothe the skin and repairs our skin damage. During summer, no matter what cream we apply, we end up getting that sunburn, suntan or sun damage from the sun. So to remove that sun damage, I will be sharing easy DIY face pack that will remove all the skin related problems and makes your skin glowing and bright. So for that you will need 2 teaspoons of besan or gram flour, 3 teaspoons of curd and a teaspoon of honey. Mix all the ingredients really well and apply it onto your face. Allow it to dry for good 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with normal water. Gram flour or besan exfoliates our skin and removes suntan. Curd nourishes our skin and keeps our skin hydrated. Honey cleanses and moisturizes our skin and treats sunburn. In summer, we sweat a lot and our hair too sweat and end up looking dull, dry and greasy. And we can't shampoo them every single day because it's not good for our hair. So here I'm sharing easy DIY dry shampoo at home. You can make them very easily, naturally at home. For that you will need 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix them and apply it onto your hair scalp with the puffy brush. And just fluff it with your fingers. Cocoa powder is good for hair growth, reduces scalp irritation and also this smells amazing. Baking soda removes excess oil and makes our hair volumizing. Summer heat may melt down our makeup, so try to use light and waterproof makeup during this time. Use light moisturizer, BB cream, bronzer and a waterproof lipstick and a mascara. Lastly, wear a breathable cotton fabric, put on your favorite shades and a hat and enjoy the beautiful summer. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.